Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited to share with you today my favorite 10 websites that you can use to make money online. Now these websites are just generally for making some extra cash on the side for your pocket, but if you're very serious, you can make up to $100 or even more per day on these platforms. So try and stay tuned until the end of the video because these websites can really help you earn quite a lot of money online. And if you enjoy this video, leave a like, comment down below what your favorite website is that you use to make money online, and subscribe if you're new to receive some awesome content that can help you succeed online. Website number 1 is Fiverr.com. Now Fiverr.com is a very popular website where you can make money online. It's a platform where businesses or individuals will post tasks or services that they want you to complete and that they want to outsource, and they will then pay you for this. It can be services such as logo design, marketing, web design, anything that you can think of. There's literally 1,000 different categories on the website. The nice thing is you can perform tasks on Fiverr that you really enjoy. So you could not only be working online to make money, but you can also be fulfilling your passion. Website number 2 is Upworks.com. Now Upworks.com is very similar to Fiverr. It is also a freelance website where businesses and individuals will post projects that they want to outsource, and you will also get paid for this. Go have a look at both platforms, have a look which one pays the best, which one you can make the most money out of, and let me know down below which one you prefer out of the two. And the nice thing about Fiverr and Upworks is that all you need to do is you need to be able to be good at something, whether it's small or big, and you can get paid for this, which is awesome. And one tip that I can give you is just create a good looking profile that is attractive, that will attract other people's attention, so it will be much easier for you to get accepted into this virtual working platform and these businesses that want to hire you. And also another good thing is these platforms aren't only great ways to make money, but it's also a great way to gain experience and build your CV or resume if you ever want to apply for a traditional job. Website number 3 is YouTube. Now, obviously, in order to make money on YouTube, you need the requirement of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a year in able to get your videos monetized and paid for your videos. However, the nice thing about YouTube is that it acts as a platform in the middle that can direct traffic to your e-commerce store, which can get you sales, or vice versa. Your e-commerce store, for example, can then divert traffic to your YouTube channel where you'll ultimately get more views. So that's the nice thing about YouTube. It goes hand in hand and complements other forms of way to make money online. And also another nice thing about YouTube is that you can choose how much you want to earn based on the type of content you post, how often you post, obviously your views and your watch time. And I mean, there's some YouTubers out there that are making hundreds of thousands of dollars through their videos. Website number 4 is Clickbank.com. Now Clickbank.com is basically a platform for content creators and affiliate marketers. And on this platform, people or businesses sell their digital services such as teaching courses online to anyone really. And the great thing about Clickbank.com, the commission payout as an affiliate is up to 75%. So you can really make some good money on this platform if you know what you're doing. You can go through the hundreds of different categories and you can choose the products that you want to promote as an affiliate, and you can make some really good money. Website number 5 is Flippa.com. Now Flippa.com is basically an online marketplace where people can buy and sell businesses. It is also an auction website, much like the eBay bidding website, for digital assets such as domains, old Shopify stores, websites, anything that's really got to do with digital. And the nice thing about Flippa.com is that you can sell your own digital services, such as whether it's marketing campaigns, a website, an old online store, whatever it is, you can sell that on here and really make some good money on Flippa.com. Website number 6 is Amazon. Now on Amazon, there are thousands and thousands of products that anyone can think of. And on Amazon, you can make money on Amazon with the 2 following ways. The first way on Amazon is the Amazon Mechanical Turk. Now the Amazon Mechanical Turk is much like the freelance marketplaces like Fiverr and Upwork, where individuals and businesses will post the tasks that they want you to complete, and then they will pay you for completing these tasks. And if you really apply yourself, you can make up to $50 an hour on these sort of websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk. The second way to earn on Amazon is the Amazon Affiliate Program. Now, the Amazon Affiliate Program is one of the most popular and most easiest ways to make money online. And the pros of this is that it's free to join. You've got an option out of thousands and thousands of products that you can choose to promote. You get your own special link that Amazon gives you, and when a person clicks on this link and makes a sale on Amazon, you then get a commission for that sale. And something like Amazon Affiliate Program can easily be promoted through platforms like YouTube, your own website, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, to your social media network. So it's really a nice and easy way to make money online. Website number 7 is Shutterstock.com. Now Shutterstock.com is basically a website where you can buy and sell digital media such as photos, videos, audio files, whatever it may be. So let's say, for example, you're a really good photographer and you take really good photos. You've got your own website as well. You don't need your own website. You can sell your photos on Shutterstock and actually make a residual income through this platform, which is awesome. And you can make a lot of money on Shutterstock.com if you are constantly uploading content, new photos for the marketplace to actually buy. Website number 8 is TakeLessons.com. Now TakeLessons.com is basically a platform where you get paid to teach basic skills. So I'm pretty sure that all of you watching this are definitely able to do something basic. Examples include like how to write, how to teach English, tutoring of homework, how to drive, really basic skills that you can get paid on this platform for. It is a form of active income, so it's much like a 9 to 5 job, but still it's a really great and easy way to make money online, and you can make good money on this platform, such as up to $30 to $50 an hour. Website number 9 is Rover.com. Now Rover.com is basically a platform where you can hire yourself out to go look after other people's dogs, cats, or whatever sort of pets they have, and you can get paid for this on an hourly rate. It is also a form of active income, but it is also a great way to make money online, as it's really easy to do. And there are some people on Rover.com that get paid up to $100 per night looking after other people's pets and animals. Website number 10 is your own dropshipping online store. And how this works is you are basically selling someone else's product or service on your store, except you do not have to deal with any of the shipping. And the supplier does all of that for you, and basically you just make the sale, transfer that to the supplier, they do all the hard work for you, and you keep your markup. And it's a great way to make money online, because the nice thing about this is you can set your own profits, you can set your own profit margin, and you can determine how much you want to make online. So you can easily create an online store with a platform like WordPress or WooCommerce, and you can connect another website like Oberlo.com, which is a business or website that specializes in dropshipping products, and you can then dropship their products that they have to offer on your online store. You add your markup and you just keep the money that you're rolling in off that website, which is awesome. And Oberlo.com will take care of the shipping and all the hard work for you. So if you really enjoyed this video and found that it helped you, please drop a comment down below on what your favorite website to make money online is. Leave a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe with the notification bell on to receive some exclusive and awesome content on how you can make money online and succeed in your online business. But until then, I will see you in my next video.